Welcome to our video tutorial on how to turn off chat calls notifications on Messenger. If you're tired of being constantly bombarded with notifications every time someone tries to call you on Messenger, then this video is for you. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once the app is open, navigate to the desired chat that you want to turn off notifications for. Next, tap on the info icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with various options. From the menu, tap on Notifications and Sound. This will take you to the notification settings for the selected chat. Finally, locate the option that says Calls and toggle the switch to turn it off. This will ensure that you no longer receive notifications for calls in that particular chat. And that's it. You have successfully turned off chat calls notifications on Messenger. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience without being interrupted by constant notifications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.